Right, so I've been wanting to make it to this place now for such a long time, and I've finally got in. Walked straight in to this place. This place has got such mega history. So what we're going to do is we're going to go quiet until we get safe. 2-6. Right. Let's have a look. We're having to be close. Quiet. Not make too much noise. Right, this is what we've got. What's that down there? Right, folks, I am going to have to be quiet. Not make too much noise. Oh, bloody hell. There's still quite a bit to see here, but we just got to find our bearings. Find our way around. Apparently, this is the good bit. Oh wow! Oh wow! Oh shit! Look at that. So this is a massive hole. I'm gonna say massive. It is huge. A lot of it is gone. Wow. Can it have a budgie? Just be careful because the floor's gone there. Right, folks, I think this is what I've been looking for. Yes, the air raid shelters. Yes. Right, so in wartime, each one of these little, I do believe each one of these little shelters, and everybody had their own little allocated place to be. Each one of these bunkers, what's that there? It's a bit of metal. So they've obviously tried to stop us from getting down that bit. That's okay, that's cool, I can live with that. Wow, look at that. Right, okay. See the military colours. Oh, this is it. Oh yes, these are the bunkers. Yes. Struck gold. Wow, look at that for engineering. This would have been all the works for the house. And that would have been some of the furniture we have struck. Struck gold. What's that? Oh, it's a lift. I think it's a lift. No, it's not a lift. Don't know what it is. There's some huge... Bloody hell. Look at the giant boiler. Wow. Some giant boiler.
Oh, that's massive.
Look at the chimney.
Yeah.
Look at that, folks. Oh yeah. as we know, next door to this place is a huge hospital, and it's all Second World War. So this house has connections with the RAF as well. Wow. Look at that, as we've seen in most country houses. Another bunker, another section. Oh, some of the original furniture, maybe. Maybe not. Maybe not. Looks a bit too newish for World War II. Blue would be water pipes, maybe. Oh. Joining me today is Irish. There's a fire door. What's up there? Some more rooms over there. Let's go this way. See what's in here. That's at a collapse, so I'm not going to go too far that way. Oh my days! Cantilever stairs. Yeah, cantilever. Crikey though, they're a bit shot. Let's just take a bit of a risk here. Again, I don't want anybody else doing this explore except us. We'll show you the places no one else will go in because of the risks. Wow. Look at that, goes all the way up there as well. Crikey. But those have gone there. Yeah, definitely. Cantilever stairs. Cantilevered staircase. That goes right up to the top of the building. But a lot of them are snapped. So I'm not going to take the risk. I've been up a few. Up to the first floor. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah, just be extremely careful. Should only really do one at a time. The original house panelling. I think these are the servant stairs. Oh my god. Oh my god. Here's the toilet. I've stood on worse than these. Oh shit. Oh my god. One of the bedrooms. Wow. Well, what's this here? Another bedroom. Oh wow, look at that. Some more panelling. So I think we should get some snappies. Oh god. These feel pretty sturdy. Holy sh! Oh god. Oh god. Yeah. It is shut. Yeah, let's get out of here. Oh, sorry about this. Oh. 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 So I found the tunnel. Crikey. So this used to be, well, used to be a sacred tunnel. Oh, if I'm going from the hospital to the house, and if it's going to be all full of thorns like that, oh God, wow, oh yeah, oh my days, what an explore. Oh God, I'm so tired already, aren't you?
Yeah.
This is memories, this, and my battery's running out. This leads onto the hospital. Oh wow, look at the bathroom. Oh, okay, so trying to work out what we're doing here, whereabouts we're going. We're not going that way. What about this way? What we got down here? I'm not going that way. I think this is part of the hospital. Oh, was this a care home? Do you reckon this could have been a care home? The section that got converted to a care home. There's a lot of beds.
Yeah, but it could be part of the hospital.
Well, originally it was. Originally it all was. Oh wow. Massive engine generator or something.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Crikey. God, it still keeps going. We're so far away from the house now as well. Yeah, I think so. Oh crap. Oh, sweating like a pig. Do I really want to walk through all that lot? I don't think so. Right, come on.
You should find the secret tunnel.
Yeah, find the secret tunnel, found the shelters, the bomb shelters. We've been trying to get in here for years. Literally years. I think it's time to quit while we're ahead. There's no mint in here. Some kind of jasmine, I think, or something, I don't know. This, all this stuff here, I do believe, could be out of either the care home or the house.
Outside the house.
Yeah. Swap size now. Look at that. What a switch. Yeah, because some of it does look quite old, doesn't it? Yeah. You're probably right. I'm not clambering over that to get to that toilet at the back. Yeah, stuff one. Oh yeah, look at that. Yeah, that's a piece of furniture, that, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's quite nice. Right, so that's it from us, me and Irish. Don't forget to click the bell, like, subscribe to the channel. This has been absolutely fantastic for me and Irish. We've had an absolute blast today, 5 explores, and we finished off with this one massive mansion with bunkers, secret tunnel, hospital next door. We are absolutely shattered. Time to go out. But folks, I'm going to leave with this. Peace, be good, see you soon.